more self-love. Definitely, my struggle of 2017 was confidence and loving myself. Mayong adlaw everyone! And welcome back to my channel. It's Shannen again. And it's 2018 already. It's 2018. So I just want to say Happy New Year to you all, you guys. It was a hell of a ride last year, 2017. And this is just going to be me greeting you Happy New Year. And I hope you guys have a swell 2018. I just want to do a quick big thanks to everyone who subscribed to me on my channel. 2017 wasn't the best year. I wouldn't say it was the year for me, but 2017 was definitely a year of big changes and big realizations for me as a person, as an adult, as a person just living right now. 2017 was the year when I started my YouTube last April 2017, and from then on I just kept uploading videos and just really sharing what I want to share to the world, and my love for fashion, beauty, and my love for music in general, and my love for K-pop. And definitely 2017 made me realize on the adulting stuffs, which I don't wanna delve into, but I definitely am blessed to have met a lot of people whom I've worked with, whom I've met and built friends, and that I know I would really count on. So yeah, 2017 wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. But 2017 was definitely a stepping point on an open. It definitely opened my door to realizing what I want in life. And this year around, I'm very, very determined to stick to what I have in mind, which I don't want to share it right now, but I just wanna. I'm claiming 2018 be my year in both my YouTube life, my professional life, my personal life. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna amp up my game in my YouTube channel, as well as just my life, really. I really just wanna be a better version of myself, and I wanna meet new people, get new opportunities, and more self-love. Definitely, my struggle of 2017 was confidence and loving myself. It's still a struggle. I still have those downsides, I guess, in just realizing how much I have to love myself, but I'm getting there. And I hope you guys also love yourself as well. Have that self-love, and let's get through it together. But yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful 2017. Comment down below how 2017 was for you and what are your goals for 2018. And I can't wait to meet you guys, and just really thank you for the support that you've given me in my YouTube channel, and just keep on going. Stay grateful, and like I always say, stay grateful. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Happy New Year! Paalam!